Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to place images in Figma. Images play a crucial role in web and graphic design, so we'll explore the best ways to bring them into Figma. Method 1. Using the Place Image option. First, click on the Figma icon at the top left, go to File and select Place Image. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Command plus Shift plus K on a Mac or Ctrl Shift plus K on Windows. Depending on the size of the image, it may take a moment to load. Once it's loaded, drag to place the image on your canvas. Method 2. Fill in a shape or frame with an image. Start by drawing a shape or frame. Then navigate to the Fill section in the right-hand panel and click on it. You'll see different options: solid colors, gradients, and images. Select the image option and upload the file from your computer to apply it directly to the shape or frame. Method 3. Drag and drop. A quick and easy way to import an image is by dragging it directly from your downloads folder or wherever it is saved. Keep in mind that this method imports the image in its original size, so you might need to zoom out to see the entire image. Method 4. Using a plugin. If you need high quality images for your mockups, you can use a plugin. I personally use the Unsplash plugin. To do this, first draw a shape or frame, then go to the plugin section, select Unsplash, and search for the type of image you need. It will be placed inside the selected shape or frame automatically. This was a short tutorial and I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoy watching content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos. Also, if there's anything you'd like to see on this channel, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to cover it. Bye guys, until next time.